Guys, they're here. My mini bases. These are my mini bases. Oh, it comes with a stand. Yay! Oh my god. It's so rad. Oh my god, dude, look. Look at the... Oh my god, he like painted that on. It's like hand painted. I wondered what he did. Oh my god, this is so great. It's adorable. Oh my god, I'm blown away. This is just so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I'm freaking out here. Oh, that's the belt. So cool. Oh my god. Okay, we've got a bunch more. Yeah. Oh wow! 2 in this one. Oh my gosh, look at the purple. Babe! Look at this baby! It is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. I'm just like freaking out. It's the twins. It's the twins. It's the twins, man. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. I'm just so freaking out. Oh my gosh. Okay, well then we know what's left. Process of elimination. We got 30-30 and Tiger Dragon up in this box. This box. Oh my god! Looky. Oh, can you see the little marks? That's the frets. The fret thing. It's so teeny tiny. And the lapis butterfly, it's blue. And he painted those on. And this is wood, guys. This is awesome. Like that's like, I don't know if he's painted those lines on or what, but it looks so cool. It looks like salted maple. It's so cool. Look at the 7-string. Oh yeah, there's the mini holly back. He even got the piece of ash. This is ash here. Man, it looks like he paints the details on. Because that's not ash, because, oh my god. There it says Master Built 2020. And then it's got Fodera painted on there. And then look. The inlay of the dragon and the tiger. It's so awesome. Dude. Oh my gosh. I'm so stoked for these mini bases. You guys, you've got to check out Washington Miniatures. But it's Portuguese. Muito obrigado. Washington Miniaturas. I think that's how you say it. I am so stoked. And look, we got little, what? Yeah. Franca. Look at the little mini stands. Oh my gosh, I have to offset it just like for reals. Because it's got the weird body. Oh, it's so cute. I gotta vacuum them off. I got a mini vacuum for my computers and stuff. So I vacuum all the dust off. Sweet. All right, guys. Thanks. Peace.